this, we formally conclude the investiture ceremony marking the beginning of a new chapter in student leadership. So, Man, are you also looking forward to the new ideas, initiatives, and work that this new council will bring to the table? I know that I am.
Absolutely. And with that, I'm also excited for the Edu Carnival. There's a lot more to explore today. We now move forward to the next segment of the day, celebrating innovation, creativity, and student led excellence.
To acknowledge the mentors who have guided our students to find beauty in logic, please welcome Saju sir, Mansi ma'am, and Jyoti ma'am along with their team of young mathematicians onto the stage.
Please have a big round of applause for them. It is often said that mathematics is the alphabet with which the universe was written. For our dreamers in the Maths Club, numbers aren't just a figure on a page. They are the building blocks of reality. From the elegant symmetry of geometry found in nature to the complex algorithms that power our modern world, these students have explored how maths is an integral part of everything we practice and perform. Their exhibition showcases a brilliant fusion of algebra, geometry, and number systems, proving that maths is not just a subject, but a living application in our daily lives.
जब हम सितारों की तरफ देखते हैं तो हम सिर्फ आसमान नहीं बल्कि अपनी अनंत संभावनाओं को देखते हैं. Here is where curiosity meets the cosmos. Please join me in welcoming our young space explorers and their mentors on stage. Rashmi ma'am, Zalkan sir, Aneri Jain ma'am, Amrita Bishwas ma'am, and Aneri ma'am. In about 4 billion years, our galaxy is set to collide with the Andromeda galaxy. While we have plenty of time to prepare, our astronomy club isn't waiting. They believe that to dream big, you have to look beyond your horizon. From the shimmering holograms of aurora lights to the mysteries of the meteors and planetary gravity, these students have spent their time unraveling the secrets of the universe. They've explored how artificial satellites connect us all through weather and broadcasting.
May I now request the gracious presence of mentors, Babita ma'am, Rinku ma'am, Julie ma'am, Datta ma'am, and Rachna ma'am, along with the students. We are delighted to welcome Ms. Rinku Shah ma'am, the creative force behind Fusion Ahar, a company secretary graduate and trained fashion designer. Ma'am uniquely blends creativity, technology, and culinary innovation. A passionate culinary expert, Ma'am is known for her inventive dishes and Jain fusion workshops rooted in tradition. Her accomplishments include serving as a judge, winning the Jain Master Chef Award 2020, and receiving an international award in Malaysia in 2022, reflecting her excellence and dedication to the culinary arts. We are pleased to welcome Miss Julie Shah Ma'am, a culinary expert and founder of Swad Ki Savari. A certified culinary kitchen cook and bakery chef, Ma'am has been conducting cooking and bakery classes for over 5 years, teaching simple, practical skills for everyday meals. Beyond cooking, students were exposed to basic marketing and business strategies, understanding how to present, package, and promote their creations. Ma'am's brand offers preservative-free premixes, masalas, and homemade products, catering to both individual and corporate needs. As I'm part of the team, I would gladly join them